Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to solve WhatsApp call unavailable on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Connect your Wi-Fi. Solution number 2. Update WhatsApp. Open the App Store app on your iPhone. Tap on search bar. Search your WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp. Solution number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 4. Check phone number. Ensure your phone number is correctly verified in WhatsApp. Solution number 5. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Thanks for watching this video.